Hey, real estate investors, entrepreneurs, let's be real. Are you missing out on deals, credibility, and massive growth? You may be making some huge mistakes when it comes to your content and branding. And the worst part, you may not even know it. But I know because I've spent over 20 years in television creating hit television shows that attracted millions of viewers. And guess what? The same principles that make television shows binge-worthy, including quite a few of mine, they can be applied to your real estate brand. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest content mistakes that real estate investors make and how you can fix them today. So, are you ready to separate yourself from the pack and become the go-to investor in your area? If you are, keep watching. Mistake number 1, you're copying what everyone else is doing. Boy, have you seen the same video over and over and over? I know I see it all the time. Investors think that to grow their brand, they just need to post that same generic real estate tip or the same market updates that everyone else is posting. Guess what? That does nothing for your brand. What about that makes you distinct and different? Nothing. If your content and the words coming out of your mouth sounds like every other investor in your market, why you? Why would anybody choose you? Would you choose that person? Fix. You got to lean into what makes you unique. Your story, your personality, and your approach to investing. That's your brand. If you ask somebody what makes you unique, what would they say? Do it. Ask them. You may not know it, but I bet Bobby does. Instead of just posting random property photos and the generic story, share the why. Share the story. Share more. What would you want to know about your deal? That's what you should be talking about. Also, talk about why you invest. Why you love this industry. What does it mean to you? Share your personal experiences. Show up with your authentic self, even when it's bad. You got to show your wins. You got to show your struggles, because we all learn from those defeats. And tell the stories behind the deals. Don't just talk about it, just show a check. Why did you pick that property? What did you learn through the process? What made it a win or a lesson? People don't buy from businesses. They buy from people. You know you do it, so be that one. Mistake number 2, posting random content with no clear strategy. Ever feel like you're posting on social media but not seeing results? You don't have any engagement, no leads, no deals. That's because content without a strategy, just noise. Biggest mistake I see? Investors posting whenever they feel like it, with no plan, no consistency, no goal. I don't know what you're doing. So the fix. I know, you got to treat your content like your deals. Have a strategy. That's what I do. What is my theme of the week? And I write all the posts and film them all together. So I'm telling a story throughout the week. Generally, that theme is chosen because somebody like you had a conversation with me and identified a pain point that I can help solve. Generally, if that person has a pain point, lots of you do. So here's a quick fix. Pick 3 to 4 core themes. Do you want to do deal breakdowns? What about some market insights? Sometimes I want to see the behind the scenes. What about some success stories of any clients that you have? That's your content. So you're posting consistently, not randomly. And always have some form of CTA. What's CTA? Call to action. Even, do you want people to DM you? Have a conversation, join your buyers list, book a call, make it clear. A real estate deal without a plan is chaos. Your content, same way. And mistake number 3, hiding behind your business and not showing your face. Here's the truth. People connect with people. Logos, not voices, not pictures. Too many investors only post about deals and properties. That's great. Start. But if people don't see you, they won't trust you. And trust, it's everything. In business, in life, especially in real estate. So the fix, and this is going to be hard for a lot of you. Become the face of your brand. Show up in your content. Record videos, do Q&As, go live. Woo, go live. That's try that one. Share your why. Why do you invest? What's your long-term vision? What's your story? Show your story. Post behind the scenes of your process. We want to see the journey, not just the destination. The investors who are winning big right now, they're the ones that build trust. How do they build trust? By being real, by being transparent, by being present. So now you know the 3 biggest content mistakes real estate investors make. 1, copying what everyone else is doing. 2, posting without a clear strategy. And 3, hiding behind your business instead of showing up. And I mean literally showing up. So now it's time to take action. In the comments, let me know if you're ready to fix these mistakes and start building a brand that attracts more deals, more opportunities, and that life-changing knock on your door. And hey, if you want more strategies on branding, real estate content, and standing out in your market, subscribe. Hit that like button, share this, and I will see you in the next video.